Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You open your window, but something feels wrong. There's no chirping, no fluttering wings, not a single sparrow in sight. It's as if every sparrow on Earth vanished overnight. You might think, so what? They're just little birds. But the truth is, losing these tiny birds could trigger a chain of events that affects all of us.
Hello, how are you? Sparrows are so common that most people hardly notice them. We see them in parks, on tree branches, and perched on power lines every day. But these small birds are actually some of nature's most important guardians. The first thing that would happen after they disappeared is a massive explosion in insect populations. Every single day, sparrows eat countless caterpillars, grasshoppers, aphids, mosquitoes, and many other insects. Without millions of sparrows keeping them under control, who would? Insect populations would grow rapidly. Trees would suffer. Crop fields would become overrun with pests. Food production would decline. And that means higher food prices for everyone. But that's only the beginning. As pests multiply, farmers would be forced to use more pesticides. More pesticides mean more pollution in our soil and water. They also harm beneficial insects, other birds, and even human health. The disappearance of one small bird could set off a chain reaction with far-reaching consequences. Sparrows are also an important food source for many animals. Hawks, owls, snakes, and many other predators rely on them for survival. Without sparrows, these animals would struggle to find enough food. Some populations would decline. Others would be forced to hunt different prey. Little by little, the balance of the entire food chain would begin to unravel. Even some plants would be affected. As sparrows move from place to place, they help spread seeds, allowing new plants to grow. Without them, this natural cycle would become weaker. But perhaps the strangest change would be the silence. Mornings without birdsong, parks that feel strangely empty, skies missing the small flashes of life we're so used to seeing. Studies have shown that the sounds of birds can reduce stress and improve our sense of well-being. Sometimes we don't realize the value of something until it's gone. Nature is like an incredibly precise clock. Remove just one gear, and it may seem fine at first, but over time, the entire system begins to fail. Sparrows, bees, ants, earthworms, and thousands of other tiny creatures all play unique roles. And many of those roles simply cannot be replaced. The next time you hear the cheerful chirping of a sparrow, remember, you may not just be hearing a bird. You may be hearing the sound of nature's perfect balance. The Quran beautifully reminds us, "Our Lord, you did not create all of this without purpose." The more we discover about nature, the more we realize that every creature, no matter how small, has a purpose in the remarkable order of creation, inviting us to reflect on the wisdom and greatness of the one who created it. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing stories about the hidden wonders of our world.